Who benefits from manipulatives? So every student can benefit from manipulatives. However, when the math concept is no longer new, most curriculums resort to drawings. So in my district, we use Eureka Math, and they have us using these place value discs in the second grade math curriculum. And once they have used those, they have them switch over to actually drawing the place value disc in the place value charts, which can be great for some students, but for my one student who is working on adding and subtraction with place value, the manipulatives really do help him have a more concrete idea of what he is taking away or having to add to it. So having to add ones to make another 10 in the place value makes it way more concrete for him. So that is a way how it can be used with special needs students and any students that are at risk. I would recommend, if you are teaching this and kids are still not grasping the idea, once you switch from the place value disc to the drawings, then they can still use the manipulatives just so they can get those concepts easier, because not all kids have that memorization of, oh, 5 plus 3 is 8, so I know 5 plus 3 is going to be 8 in the ones place. Or if you have to add or subtract and having to take away and making a number differently and having to borrow is going to be very confusing. And again, that can help at-risk students when it comes to math problems where you have to borrow. Um, that was an example of how I use it for one of my students, and it's actually in his IEP that he used manipulatives to solve addition and subtraction problems with 2 digits or more, just because it is a lot easier for him to do. And most kids, it's harder because he does not have the memorization of 5 plus 3 is 8. And that is how I use manipulatives with my special needs students, and an example of one of my students. And so benefiting from manipulatives is every student, but students with learning disabilities or at-risk students who are behind in math and need that concrete physical tool to solve a problem, manipulatives are great for that.